Now I think it's important for you folk at home to know exactly what we do to coat your glass and the process that it takes. So today I'm going to demonstrate these frameless shower panels are having the coating applied to the interior surface. Now we always apply this coating to the interior surface as this is the surface that always gets dirty from the soap scum, cleaning products, shampoos and hard water that's often associated with the inside of your shower screen. Now the first process that we do when applying Enduro Shield is first we need to make sure that the glass is completely clean and free of any grime or dirt. Now to do that we use a special pre-cleaner that's provided by Enduro Shield and a nice white scrubbing brush to remove anything that's on the surface of the glass. Now this glass has come directly from our supplier, so it has been cleaned, it's been washed, there's no visible dirt on there. We still clean the glass in this instance. We need it to be absolutely perfect before we apply the coating. First of all, we apply some of the cleaner to the glass surface. Enough there that it's going to pick up all the dirt across everywhere, and then we apply some scrubbing technique with the special cleaning pad. We start from the top and don't miss any components of the glass as we work our way to the bottom. We want to make sure that all dirt and grime has been lifted and that glass has been completely scrubbed. This pre-cleaner is excellent for lifting the dirt and making our cleaning process nice and easy. Now once the pre-cleaner has been applied, we need to remove it. So to do that, we use a nice squeegee, starting from the top, making sure that nothing's missed, work our way all the way to the bottom, taking all that dirty product and pre-cleaner with it as we work our way all the way to the bottom. Now from here, once all the pre-cleaner has been removed, we need to ensure that that glass surface is completely dry before the coating is applied. Now the water normally sits on the edges of the glass, so the first thing that we do is we run around all of the edges with this microfiber lint-free towel and try and take off any excess that's accumulated on the edges after the glass has been squeegeed. At this stage we can also see small little components or marks where that hasn't been taken off, and I simply buff over those with my cleaning rag to make sure that everything has been removed. This glass needs to be completely clean and free of any dirt or grime or anything on the surface before the coating is applied. And now that the pre-cleaner has been applied, the glass has been scrubbed and it is now completely dry and free of any residue or pre-cleaner, we're now ready to coat the glass. Now to coat the glass we use a special spray gun that's been provided by Enduro Shield to optimize the amount of product that we use, get less wastage and get a really good covering on the product. From here we simply fill the special Enduro Shield product into this top canister here and we spray it on like we're painting a car, where we overlap it, do the whole thing and then we leave it to dry. Once the coating's been applied to the glass, we then put this little sticker on here for the homeowner to remove once the glass has been installed. Once they see this sticker, they go online, punch the code into the warranty form, and there they have it. They've got a 10-year warranty on the surface treatment on their glass. Now we're a licensed applicator for Enduro Shield. This is a product that I'm extremely passionate about. I see the amount of the reduction in cleaning that it provides to our customers. I see customers that come in months or even years after it's been applied, and the feedback that they give me is fantastic. So I recommend this product on any new pool fence, balustrade or shower screen that's been installed in your home. If you've got any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I'm only a phone call away. Have a great day and thank you once again.